Wait, I don't understand why my identical twin keeps on studying the whole day and I don't like studying at all, even when we are born from the same DNA. Come, my dear scientist, I will explain this to you. All this might be related to the nature and nurture, but a more specific answer to this would be found within epigenetics. That's the study how DNA interacts with the smaller molecules present within the cells, which can activate and deactivate the genes. These small molecules do not individually decide what to do, but their presence as a whole decides it. Genes in DNA are expressed when they are read and transcribed into RNA, which translates it into proteins, which decides a cell's characteristics. Epigenetic changes can either boost or interfere with the transcription of DNA when it gets attached with small chemical tags, which is collectively known as epigenome. Certain tags, such as methyl, inhibit the gene expression by coiling the DNA more tightly around the protein, which makes it inaccessible, whereas the boosting process is totally opposite, that is, it unwinds the DNA around the proteins, making it loose, which enhances the transcription process. Epigenetic changes can undergo cell division, that is, they may remain a part of our entire lifespan. These epigenetic changes are a part of our normal development. There are around 200 different types of cells in our body which have almost same genome but have different epigenome. The chemical tags can be affected by our diet, environment, medication, and several other factors. These may also lead to diseases like, for example, if they turn off the gene for contact inhibition, it may lead to development of cancerous cells. And that is the reason why I and my identical twin are so different from each other as we have diverged from our daily routines. Most of these epigenetic expressions are erased at the time of egg and sperm formation, but their impressions are left on some of the DNAs, which means that what my parents made choices at their ages, I might also be seen making the same choices. But this doesn't mean that these changes are permanent. They can be rectified by having a healthy diet, exercise, and avoiding drugs and other substances. So I hope you understood why we are so different even when we are born from the same DNA. At the end, a special note for COVID-19. All living things use the same genetic code, but some viruses, including coronavirus, use RNA instead of DNA to store their code. Detection of this viral RNA is how doctors verify whether a patient has been infected by COVID-19. And most importantly, stay home, stay safe.